Good morning, my lovelies. Getting ready to leave out for the day. Liam's outside playing at the moment. What? Just running around being a crazy boy as always. You want to say hi? Liam. Liam.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Tell them what you're going to do today. Liam. Give me my phone. So fun when he runs off with it. But I just looked at my schedule, realized I was scheduled for 37 hours this week. I didn't think part-timers were supposed to go over 32. So I am going to verify this with my manager. If it's true, hey, cool. I could use hours. If it's not, hey, cool. I could use the days off. I will let you guys know when I find out. Loves. It's verified. I work 37 and a half hours this week. It's a gorgeously dismal day today. I mean, look at the cloud cover. That is complete cloud cover. If it dumps, might have to reschedule tomorrow and do something different. I've also decided where I'm probably going to have the Bug's birthday party. Cece's Pizza does not require a reservation deposit, anything like that. It's just come in, grab a table, sit down. We can bring our own cakes and decorations, which I think's pretty awesome. And he likes Cece's. So, win-win there. Now I just have to figure out everything else, which is not a big problem. But it's nice to know that they scheduled me 37 and a half hours because they needed me and it wasn't a screw up. So that's more money's in my pocket. Yay. I'm going to be tired, but I've got 2 days off this week. I don't care. That's where we're at now. Loves. Finally off for the day. And here comes the rain. Check it out. They're forecasting thunderstorms for the rest of the night. We've got a flash flood watch. And it's warm enough that I might be able to throw Liam out in it when we get home. Yeah, I'm waiting on him right now. But it's really muggy right now. I mean, like, really muggy. Could be because it's raining and it's hot. But I like the rain. I like it a lot. If I throw him out, I'll put one more video before my ending video, but more later. Oh yeah, Liam's definitely gonna play in this. Check it out. The wind's picking up, and we have thunder. Nice little storm. They're about here to get me. I just wanted to show you one more time the lovely little rain we're having. Isn't that great? Once we get home, probably right out of the car, I'm going to throw him in this video soon. So the rain stopped before we got home, so he wasn't able to play in it. Right there. So he is trying to fix his train. Keep going. Yes, that is an actual screwdriver he is using. Can I fix it? Here. Them right there.
Chugga 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 chugga. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
Fix it.
Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my A B.
Oh my gosh. He's getting really too good with the tools. We've got it fixed. I had to pause for a few seconds, but he's very happy now. But I have to work tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow night for 4th of July because of the rain. I might still go out to Regional Park. I don't know. It depends on if we get any weather tomorrow. Tomorrow or later tonight. So, signing off for today. Love y'all. Good night.